Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Today I'm super excited to show you a Kerala recipe. If you guys don't know, I'm a hardcore Malayali, Chatamare Chechimare. Today I am going to show you my Amma's Kerala egg stew recipe. It's super yummy and tasty. Okay, now let's see how to prepare this. You need to heat some cooking oil and add some cardamoms, cloves and cinnamon sticks. Now to the oil, let's add 4 to 5 red onions, 2 pieces of ginger, green chilies and curry leaves, and saute it for 4 to 5 minutes, and then add salt to taste. Then we can add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and then this is something that you have to prepare before you start cooking this dish. This is 1 cup of boiled and mashed potatoes. I did not add salt to that. And then you need to add 2 cups of homemade coconut milk. If you do not have homemade coconut milk, just add unsweetened coconut milk. So after adding the coconut milk, make sure you bring it to a slight boil, not on high flame but on low flame, and then you can add any number of cut boiled eggs that you want. I just took 2 eggs and cut it into half. Now after you boiled it for like 1 to 2 minutes, you're going to add the final ingredient, which is 1 teaspoon of garam masala. This is an optional ingredient, you can avoid it. And then you garnish it with some curry leaves, and this goes really well with idiyappam, appam or roti. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.